Dongguan Fangrong Precision Machine Industry Co. Limited, established in 2013, has many years' experience on manufacturing straightening machine and cold drawing machine. Our company is a professional manufacturer that integrates design, production, and marketing. Most machines have Certificate of Utility Model Patent, Certificate of Design Patent, Certificate of Invention Patent, and CE certification, and our company passed the standard ISO 9001-2008. Main products contain horizontal precision straightening machine. It's suitable for metal material, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, iron, steel tube and rod. Straightening range, diameter 4 to diameter 180 mm. Straightness 0.2, less than or equal to 1000 mm. And develop two-roller and irregular straightening machine based on the horizontal straightening machine. We also develop the supplementary equipment and the whole series of cold drawing machine, straightening machine, continuous drawing machine, hydraulic drawing machine, chain drawing machine, full automatic drawing machine, garland machine, pull ray machine, shrinking tube and machine, pointing machine, core pipe machine, thread rolling machine, and shrinking pointing machine. Our goal is making professional and class equipment, first-class products, excellent service, and top-ranking innovation to achieve product specialization, technical specialization, services specialization, and team specialization. Our products are very popular in China and abroad through unremitting efforts by Fangrong people. The prime quality and best service are fully recognized and accepted by customers around the world.